everybody, I'm here for an unboxing video, and it actually is a box. You'll see I actually have 2 boxes coming from the Foxy Fix. So why don't we just dive into the very first one? Okay. So the first thing we see is a beautiful sample. This is the botanical, and it is the orchid, the purple color. I've never seen that leather sample before. It's really pretty. It's really nice and soft on the underside. Okay, so there's that. I had some dashboard scent. Oh. There's their business card. Foxy Fix at the Foxy Fix, foxyfix.com. You know where they are. Okay. Do these and see what we got here. Let me get that other box out of the way. So you'll see it's small. It is so pretty. This is the cinnamon. It is the spice, and it is the cinnamon color. One of those days, eh? This is the cinnamon. It is in the number 1, or the passport size, with just the standard 1.25-inch spine. It has the front pockets, and of course, the pocket here, and the pocket here on both sides. And just so you know exactly what this is, it is the cinnamon. It is with the brown elastic, and the stitching, I think, is the wheat. Yes, it is the wheat stitching, but the medium brown elastic. That is, oops. And this kind of reminds me of my, I have one in olive. I have a passport in the, not olive, it is the thyme. There we go. Aren't they both beautiful? And I also have one in the personal size in the pepper. Beautiful. And each color leather is a little bit different. This one looks like it'll show texture nicely because usually brown leathers do. But look how beautiful that is. And I really love and one thing about it is it's kind of like a pull-up leather. You can kind of see how I scratched it with my fingernail when I was trying to get under the pocket, but you can rub it out, or a bit. And that's how I call it olive, because it looks like a big olive you put in a martini. But that's how the thyme is. And the black one doesn't really do much at all, scratching wise. So, yeah, I thought I ordered 3 dashboards. Oh, they're all there. 1, 2, 3. They're just so thin. They're I haven't purchased a Foxy Fix dashboard in a while, so they feel a lot thinner than they used to. So those, I don't have any that are number 4 or personal size, so I wanted to get a few for this pretty notebook. So that was in my first Foxy Fix package. This beautiful number 1 in the cinnamon color. That is gorgeous. And some dashboards. So that was box 1. Okay, now, oh, too many pretty foxies in the way. This is box number 2. Okay. So we have a sample for this one's a little bit harder to read because it's the nice black. Boss Babe, and it is the Madison Avenue. And that's a really pretty leather. It's a little bit firmer of a leather than some of the others. And the husband, he has a number 0, a micro single in the black Boss Babe that he used for a wallet for quite a long time. And then he switched to a different colored one. So again, we've got our business cards. And you'll see this one is a bit taller. Let me get the box out of the way. I'm going to have to do some editing because of I had a hour-and-a-half massage this afternoon, so I'm kind of, feeling very good. So this one I'm really waiting for. It is standard size. An extra one of those. Standard size. And this is the Clove. Look how beautiful that is. The inside. And they all come with an extra elastic, or I guess they call it jump band, to be able to add more than 4 inserts. And this, just like the others, has the new pocket configuration. So the pocket here, a pocket here, and then this one back here. And it's the same one. I got the same on both sides. Very, very pretty. And what I wasn't sure what I was going to use this one for. Now this is one reason why these leathers have this extra cover. The larger they get, it's a thin leather, as you can see. It's a very thin leather. And so they even have a reinforced spine, and it just helps give it a little bit more structure. So let me see. I want to put some inserts in here, and I have one of those Roscoe carts full of all of my traveler's notebooks now. But what I want to do is I forgot I had that. See, when you have so many traveler's notebooks, you forget what you have inside of them. So I want to see, these are, minus the writing boards, inserts that we make at Peaky Dory Designs, and they're different papers that we've tried in the past. Oh, that's right, I used some of those sparkly markers and stuff from Jane Davenport. So what we have here are, and I don't know who made this. Is an old Foxy Fix dashboard from probably when they first started making them 2.5, 3 years ago, maybe. I don't know. I've had it a long time. And I have a couple that I've cut down to B6 limb size, because the only thing that's different is the height, about 1.25 inches. So what I have in here, what I've put is, oh my goodness, will these fit? If they will, hot diggity dog. See, that will actually give it a little bit more structure too. Look at that. Definitely. I'll put one back here too. And oh, it's in plastic. That's why it won't work. This is the newest one. This is the 2018 with all the shiny gold. So let's put that in. Wow, having the 2 writing boards gives it some nice structure. I mean, it's standing up. So what I put in here was just a card. This one's made out of felt. I got it from like My Paper Geek or one of those places on Etsy back in like 2013, 2014. This is a Peaky Dory design insert, and this one is, I think it's just a white copy paper. No, this is a 28-pound hammer mill paper, and I wanted to see how the different, like those are the aqua pastels. Those are kind of chalky over time, and you can see there's glitter everywhere. So that's what, and here's some watercolors. Just to see how it works with different media, and those totally bleed through, those mermaid markers. And then it has a long pocket here in the back. And this is another Peaky Dory design, and this one has, this is the, what? This is similar to the Tomoe River paper. It's the Kokuyo. It's the Kokuyo paper, which they use in the Jibun Techo. And so it just got lots of different stuff. See how you can, there's ghosting, but there's no bleeding through. And that's, you know, mermaid marker stuff. Yeah, it's pretty amazing. And there's the aqua pastels. Those do feel chalky over time. Well, they are a pastel. And then I have a Taroko Shop folder, another Peaky Dory design insert, but this one is Tomoe River paper. Just so you can see all the different items. And the mermaid markers, they bleed through everything, even the Tomoe River paper. And this is the light Tomoe River paper, the 52, I think. And I just wanted to see how it worked with all of my stuff. Here's a Midori zipper pouch, and it's the true Midori. A little folder. And here's another Tomoe, no, this is Strathmore. Sorry, this is a Strathmore white paper. And this is the one that is like that pink. Look at that glitter, it's everywhere. And then just a few of my Porter Pieces holiday stencils and the business, like the tracking one. So I just wanted to show you a quick little unboxing of these two new Traveler's Notebooks from Foxy. This is the Spice in Clove in the number 6 size. This is the Spice in Cinnamon in the number 1. And then here's my Spice number 1 Thyme and my Spice number 4 in Pepper. You can hear Seamus joined us, so it means he must need something. So thanks so much for watching. I will link Foxy Fix below. If you have any questions, you know what to do. Leave a question and I will get back with you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.